In this chapter, I shall tell you about pen tools. It can be used to create countless lines, curves and shapes. Use of the pen tool is perfected through practice. Now, let's draw a leaf by using pen tool. Select pen tool from Tools panel. Or press P on your keyboard. This is the shortcut key to activate pen tool. To create an anchor point, the beginning of a line or shape, click anywhere on the stage. A small blue box will note the location of the point. Click on another location of the stage to create a second point. These anchor points are considered corner points because they are connected to straight lines that form corners. Continuing clicking on the stage to creating a leaf shape. Like this, you can draw a leaf using pen tool. You can also change the color. For that, go to Control panel, click on this and choose your color. Next, if you want to add anchor, go to Tools panel. Here, hold down the left button of your mouse. Now you can see a flyout menu. In flyout menu, there are various types of tool. Select Add Anchor Point tool. Or use keyboard shortcut which is plus button. To add anchor points, click on the edges. Next, if you want to delete those anchors which you have just added, select Delete Anchor Point tool from Tool panel. Or use keyboard shortcut which is minus button. You can see anchor point is deleted. Now select this leaf and delete it by pressing Delete button on your keyboard. Next, select Start tool from Tool panel. Draw a star on artboard. Then select a Convert Anchor Point tool. Or use keyboard shortcut which is Shift plus C. Now to change the shape, click on Anchor. Here you can see these are tangents that defines this anchor. Each anchor has two tangents. I am just clicking on anchor and dragging on to give a new shape. Now, let's discuss about Text tool. Select Text tool from Tool panel. Now, drag a bounding box on artboard and then click within that box. Text will stay in that box only. If you want to move the text, for that select Selection tool from Toolbox. Or use keyboard shortcut which is V. Then move it. You can even change the type of font. In Control panel, there is a character option. Hover your mouse and click on it. From here, you can change the type of font. You can see, font style is changed now. If you want to type more text, you can easily do it. Just click inside the bounding box and type your text. Now if you want to increase the text size, drag these bounding boxes or hollow box. Now, I will tell you about size option. Click right button of your mouse on text. Go to size option. On the top, select Other option. From here, you can increase or decrease the line space. And from here, you can increase or decrease the alphabet space. Next, if you want to adjust the alignment of your paragraph, click on Paragraph palette. Here you can find various types of alignment option, like Align Center, Align Right, Justify with last line, Align Left, Justify with last line, Align Center, Justify with last line, Aligned Right, Justify all lines. Close this dialog box. Next tool is Hand tool. Generally, we use Hand tool to move artboard. Select Hand tool and move the artboard. Sometime, if you need to move artboard while you working, press space bar and move the artboard. Now, let's learn how to do ungroup a text. Click right button of your mouse on text. Select Ungroup option. Now you can see text is ungrouped.